I am bold and outgoing. Confidence comes naturally to me. I confidently speak my mind without hesitation. I am free to be myself. I am unique. Developing confidence improves my life. I easily stay persistent and push through the setbacks. I am worthy of great love, and I deserve to be loved fully and completely. I am assertive. I believe that I can achieve anything I want. My personality exudes confidence. I find it easy to make decisions on my own terms. I just have a natural inner hardness. I tell others how I feel. I like myself better each day. I speak my mind without fear of rejection. I confidently meet any challenge. I am self-reliant, creative, and persistent in whatever I do. I am worthy of great love. I can stand up to anything. I am confident when talking to others. I value my beliefs and opinions. I always stand up for myself and my beliefs. I always do the things I love. I can do anything I set my mind to do. I bring something different to my environment. Improving my self-esteem is very important. I am naturally carefree. My opportunities are unlimited. I always see only the good in others, and I attract only positive people. I am confident that I can achieve anything. My mindset is that of a positive and happy person. I always find a way to succeed. I realize that I am equal to my peers. I am original. I am talented at many things. I think positively about myself no matter how others may feel. I can forgive and understand others and their motives. I am a winner. I always take the risk of going after something I want. I know I can achieve anything. I have a natural inner hardness. I am very attractive. I am flexible and open to change in every aspect of my life. I respect myself deeply. I am fearless. I can easily overcome any failures or setbacks. I have the power to change myself. I believe in myself completely. Speaking my mind with confidence is something I just naturally do. It is enough to have done my best. I am strong against negative life circumstances. I find it easy to go after whatever I want. I am a positive thinker and only think about the best possible outcome. Caring about what others think is something I am free from. I accept challenges with enthusiasm and confidence. I am as important as anyone else. I am always positive. Developing assertiveness will improve my life. I always express my thoughts and opinions with confidence. I am bold and brave. I can face anything that confronts me. I accept myself no matter what happens. I love challenges. They bring out the best in me. My skin is clear and radiant. People see me as someone who goes after what they want. I have something special to offer the world. I am able to handle whatever life brings my way. I achieve massive success. I am always honest with myself. Feeling good about myself is normal for me. Others see me as confident and successful. My opinions are important. I am a high achiever. I am naturally carefree. I am the kind of person who confidently goes after success. I am in control of my life. Great job.